welcome to another squishy update video. Today, as always, I have some amazing squishy packages, and what's really cool about this video is all of these packages came from Singapore. So without further ado, let's get squishing. Okay guys, as you can see, this first package is from Singapore, and it came from a website called SG Squishies. And the SG, of course, stands for Singapore. I totally found this website by accident, and I was super stoked that I could order from it. Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness, you guys. All of these squishies are vintage Cafe Day Inn squishies. The first squishy is this ice cream cone by Cafe Day Inn, and it has a sticker on the back. I mean, whoa. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. Some of the sprinkles are already coming off of this. That's why I'm not going to take it out of the package. And the other two squishies I ordered are the Cafe Day Inn Bitten Popsicles. First is the chocolate one. And this tag says ice bar on it. They also have the sticker on the back and the charm inside. It's so soft. And here is the pink popsicle. Everything is the same except the color. And this one's filling is vanilla. Oh wow, this one's way softer than the chocolate one. Okay guys, the remaining packages I have are also all from Singapore, but they came from a different website. This actually came from Store Envy, from one of my favorite sellers of all time, Simply Random. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Oh my gosh, you guys, the first thing I pull out is this teeny tiny little noodle bun, and it's called a Yakisoba Bun. This actually looks like a mini version of the Neapolitan bread I have. You guys will probably remember this squishy. This is the Neapolitan bread squishy that I have, and here is a size comparison. Oh my gosh. Ooh, those little noodles freak me out every time. Ooh wee, it smells like silicone. I'm guessing that's what this stuff is made out of. It kind of smells like, you know, those fake fishing lures, those little rubber fish. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is so much more slow rising than the Neapolitan bread. The bottom is very textured. Oh, and super squishy. Even the inside of the bun is very detailed. And these noodles though. Oh my gosh, you guys! I ordered all three designs of the J Dream Animal Toast squishies. Their packaging is so cute. First is this kitty cat toast, and as you can see, it is licensed by J Dream. Oh wow. And here is the bear design. Packaging also really cute. Oh wow, it is so soft. The packaging is not resealable, so I'm not going to be taking these out. And finally, here is the bunny rabbit design. It is so adorable. So squishy. Oh, I wish the packaging was resealable. The rest of the items in this box are all extras. And first, oh my gosh, is this beautiful Mother Garden bread roll. Super soft. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells really fruity, not like bread, but just a really sweet, fruity smell. Super, super soft. And this is one of the more slow rising Mother Garden squishies that I've seen. The next extra is this miniature Shibuya toast, and I'm pretty sure this is by J-Dream as well. Ooh, that's got such a nice pop-up. It looks like it has whipped cream on top with a white chocolate bar and some chocolate drizzle. The charms on top are hard, not squishy. Next is this adorable Pecco charm. And I'm not sure if this is Pecco or not, but it's like a little donut charm. And it's called a Strawberry Ring by Mr. Donut. Oh my gosh, look at this Stitch keychain, you guys. His little legs move. Oh my gosh, it's so shiny. Next extra. Oh my gosh, I've seen these on so many websites. It's this adorable little bunny head bun. And it is a squishy. A really good squishy. Holy cow. I can't believe how slow rising that is. And the last extra in this box is... I don't know. It's this little container, and at first I thought it was slime, but it's called Slime Base. Ew. It feels so weird. Ugh, it does not smell good. Moving on to the next package. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am absolutely obsessed with these Jumbo Loaf squishies. And this one, it looks exactly like the Rilakkuma Jumbo Loaves I've gotten before. But it's Sumiko Garashi themed. Oh my gosh. It is so thick. Not get over how cute this packaging is. Wow. It is licensed by Sanex on the bottom. Oh my gosh, it is so well detailed and textured. It looks like real bread. Very, very spongy. And soft. Okay, moving on. Okay, ooh. You guys, I have been flipping out ever since I first saw this on Instagram. This, of course, is pull-apart bread, or I think it's called chigiri in Japanese. Oh my gosh. My life is complete. Here is one of the Rilakkuma Rolls, and the back is very textured and detailed. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. Oh, and so soft! Oh my gosh. And here is the Rilakkuma Roll, also very detailed and cute. Oh wow. The other two rolls are exactly the same, but you get 4 amazing squishy rolls, and they look like Rilakkuma. Life cannot get better than this. Oh, the next 2 squishies are mini squishies. First is this teeny tiny little donut squishy, and really soft. Whoa, it is so textured and detailed. I love the crisscross marks. So soft. No scent. Well, maybe a faint fruity scent. Not really sure. The next mini squish, you guys, is the mini orange Poco egg toast. I have the jumbo version. You've probably seen it in one of my previous videos, but look how tiny the mini one is. The packaging looks pretty similar to the jumbo version. Let me go get my jumbo one. Yes, the packaging looks exactly the same, but as you guys can see, there is quite a big difference as far as size goes. It's so cute. And the egg is really slimy, just like the big version. Ooh, really stretchy. Does not smell good. It looks like there is a small paint defect on the bread, but that's fine because the egg covers it right up. It's really, really soft, but not exactly slow rising. No scent either. And just like the first package, there are a ton of extras. Looks like I got another Pecco charm. There's a little boy Pecco and a little doggy. I got another donut keychain. Is this Cafe Diane? It is Cafe Diane! Oh my gosh. Best extra ever. Oh my gosh. It is so thick, but so soft. Okay guys, we're down to our last box. And it looks amazing. Continuing with the bread theme, I got this honey toast. It looks like it is also by the Orange Poco brand. Very similar packaging. Oh, that looks nice. Oh my gosh, it's so smooth, you guys. And there might be a faint smell, but I can't really tell. It's this beautiful, super thick slice of bread. Oh wow. It is slow rising, but not ridiculously slow. So soft. And the other item I ordered, oh my gosh, I'm probably the most excited for this one. It's this chocolate cornet squishy. It's called Coro Coro Coronet Coro, I guess. Oh my gracious. Ooh, it smells like a Keebler squishy, you guys. Super soft. Oh my gosh. It's like the perfect amount of softness and slow risingness. And the last things in this box are some extras yet again. There's another adorable Pecco charm. It's the little girl this time. There's this like gummy bear looking thing, but it's just like a flexible but hard gummy bear charm. And lastly is this little thing, and it looks like it might be slime. I am not a slime channel. I am not a slime expert, but there's you some slime. Well guys, that was it for yet another squishy update video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Oh my gosh, I need to go to Singapore. They have so many amazing squishies. I need to go. If you guys did like what you see, be sure to give me a like and leave a comment. Let me know which one was your favorite. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Stay squishy, y'all. Bye!